In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload a file in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to look for so your file is attached and ready to use inside your workspace. First, head to the Replit website in your browser and sign in if you aren't already. Once the page loads, you'll land on your dashboard. This is your home base in Replit, where you can see your projects and quickly jump into the one you want to work on. Make sure you open the workspace where you want the file to live, because the file you upload will be saved into the currently active project. Inside the workspace, look for the prompt box. This is the text field where you can type messages or instructions, often found at the bottom or side of the interface, depending on your layout. If you've never used it before, think of it as the place where you can interact with Replit's AI or provide guidance related to your project. Next to that prompt box, find the small plus icon. This plus sign is your gateway to adding things to your prompt, including files. Give it a click and a small menu will appear with a few options. From that menu, choose Upload a File. Selecting this option opens your system's file picker. Here, navigate to the folder on your computer that contains the file you want to bring into Replit. It can be code, data, a document, or any asset your project needs. If your file has a long name, consider keeping it clear and readable, so it's easier to spot later in your file tree. Select your file, then click Open. Replit will begin uploading right away. You'll typically see a brief progress indicator, and once it finishes, the file will appear as an attachment near the prompt or show up in your project's file list. If you don't see it immediately, try expanding the file panel or refreshing the view to confirm it's there. With the file uploaded, you can start using the prompt. Reference the file by its name and explain what you want to do with it, whether that's analyzing data, reading content, or integrating it into your code. If anything seems off, double check that you uploaded to the correct project and that the file type is supported. A quick rename or re-upload can resolve most issues. That's it, you've successfully uploaded a file in Replit and you're ready to keep building.